Preparation time. May He equip you with all you need for doing His will. May He produce in you, through the power of Jesus Christ, every good thing that is pleasing to Him. Hebrews 13:21. There's a plant called the Chinese bamboo. For the first 4 years, it barely grows above ground. But underground, it's developing a massive root system. In the 5th year, the plant will take off and shoot up to as high as 80 feet in the air. What makes the 5th year possible is the 4 years of preparation. Perhaps you're frustrated because you're being your best, but you don't see any signs of increase. The business isn't growing, you're not getting any good breaks, your marriage hasn't improved. The problem is that we want 5th year results without having to go through the 4 years of preparation that develop our character and prove to God that we'll be faithful. Don't be discouraged. What you can't see is that God is doing a work in you. Your roots are going down deeper. At the right time, when God knows you're ready, you're going to come into your 5th year when you suddenly shoot up. Suddenly you come out of debt. Suddenly you meet the right person. Suddenly your health improves. Suddenly your career takes off.